Oh, you're home. You get home. I thought you're not coming home. Ay, ay, ay. Honey, what did you bring? A flower? I got white flowers. This for me? Oh, this is the reason why you came home.
It is.
Hey, this is for... Oh, thank you, darling. Hey, this is not for you. Hey, get down.
You don't want to get a little sick and tired of you throwing water on me.
Tingnan nyo ako. My head is just killing me. Thank you, darling. Oh my goodness, you got me blind. Thank you, baby. I love you. Rosas. And this one is... Ay, hala. Uy, pwede ito matanim ba? Hala. Masama pakiramdam ko, guys. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. And then, gusto kong matulog. Nakatulog naman ako. Pero ito, itanim ko to. Ito yung bulaklak na ano. Kalya lily. O, diba? Ito yung bulaklak na gusto ko. Yeah. Kasi merong ganito ang kapatid ni Tami. At, yun, meron siyang ganito sa yard niya. And then, ang ganda. Itanim ko to, guys. Wow, kalya lily. Yeah. Ang ganda naman. Itanim ko to. So, today is my birthday. And, I'm reading. And, because it's Saturday. And, what else? So, umuwi si Mr. kagabi. Nakita niyo naman, diba? And, na-surprise ako kasi talagang sobrang niyang walang time. Pero, sabi niya sa akin, umuwi ako dahil gusto kong magsabi na happy birthday in person kasi 41 na ako. Grabe, no? Hindi na hindi na talaga natin mapigilan na 41 na tayo. And, so yun guys, umalis siya ng maaga, nagmamadali. Bumangon ako kahit sobrang pagod ko kasi hindi natutulog. Palagi akong labas ng labas. So, ngayon, alis po ako. But before ako umalis, nag-read ako ng Samuel and Psalm. Guys, if you go to Psalm 139, basahin niyo guys. It's very, very... Basta basahin niyo Salmo 139. And also, ano pa? Yun, I'm so blessed kasi, you know, kahit nasa bahay ako, and then yung asawa ko sobrang bait, trabaho ng trabaho. Grabe ang bait talaga kasi umuwi siya. At yun, nagpapayas at yung flower na binili niya, white rose, and then yung Callia lily, which is, I've been looking for that plant for a long time, kasi meron kasi yung kapatid ni Tami, at saka gustong gusto ko guys, so beautiful ang Callia lily, kapag mag-flower na siya, so i-plant ko yan sa yard, para naman will stay, and then balik siya every year kasi, every year yun siya babalik. And then yun, birthday ko ako lang mag-isa, I'm going to meet my friends, si Lloydie at Brenda, sila lang naman, and also somebody asked me, merong nagsabi na, sa comment section doon sa kabila. Kaya wala kang friend kasi hindi ka friendly. Kapag meron akong makilalang tao, okay naman, kilala lang, pero it's not gonna hang out all the time. Makilala ko sila, okay, kilala ko sila, pero yun, hindi ko mini-maintain kapag sobrang, hindi man sila toxic sa akin. Ano lang, kapag hindi sila toxic sa akin, okay lang. Pero pag makilala mo na kasi yung tao na alam mong may pagkaano, yung hindi mapalagay kung hindi mag-gossip. Hindi ako, normal na rin yan sa tao kasi tao lang tayo makasalanan, no? Mag-gossip-gossip. Pero yung parang sinuseryoso mo ng pag-gossip-gossip, yung parang hindi ka na makatulog kapag wala kang machismis or yung parang wala kang kalagot, bawa kay kalagot sa lang tao. Muna akong gilikayan ka ng mga tao ngayon, anak. Kasi tungod kay madala magug ka. Kung merong mga taong mga ganyan, madala ka ba sa mga ganyan? So, kaya avoid. Yeah, so, sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako pala kaibigan, mas mabuti pang walang kaibigan kaysa meron. And also, piliin mo kung sino yung okay. Kapag alam mo na parang may kakaiba na, hindi, parang boyfriend lang yan, hiwalayan mo. Yun lang, hindi ka naman mamatay. I have very close friend, Jesus and my husband. You know, there I'm talking to my husband, I'm reading Bible and talk and learn about what Jesus said when he was on this earth, you know. So, you know, like Samuel. the prophet. You know, if you watch House of David, you should watch House of David, guys. It's a new series. And yun, kaya nag-start akong nagbasa ng Samuel kasi si Samuel is the ano, basta. And anyway, he is the ano, siya yung pinadalhan ni Jesus ng a message kung sino yung next king. O si King David, which is the 14th generation of Jesus. You know, great grandfather of Jesus, 14 years, 14 generation, and then Jesus came. Diba? Alam nyo yan? 14 generation. David to Jesus. Ito na yung ating grabing cheese ba. Basta si Tami talaga si Tami mag-grill talaga, maggawa nito. Siya gumawa nito ba. Mag-ano talaga, guys. Grabe yung cheese. Cheese galore. Tapos na yung ano ni Mr. guys. Tapos na yung burger niya, guys. At sabi niya, hindi daw siya kakain kung hindi ako ready. Kaloka, ito yung burger niya, oh. Salad, oh. Salad sa Minday Mirian. Mag-salad kami ngayon kasi talagang mag-steak sana ako, pero I feel bad. Today, he is here and he doesn't want a steak. He want burger.
I like burgers. What do you think burger is? It's steak.
No, it's a rat grind.
Steak ground up.
I know.
See the way you cut up steak in little pieces and put it in
I know.
Well, then, what do you think it is?
Love you.
Me too.
I miss coat you that. My stomach is not happy with no rice, love. Do you want rice, love? Chicken. Hindi ko sana kakain ito, guys. Kaso, wala naman ako talagang choice. So, isipin ko na lang na kumakain man ako nito noon. Na ano man ako sa kakain-kain ko ng steak. Matapos yung steak, yung asawa ko hindi nakakain na steak dahil kinakain ko lahat. So, ito yung ating dinner. Look, oh guys, chicken, rice, and then gulay. Bye na. Hi, bye. I am. Do you want chicken?
Oh yeah. Go back to bed. I'll talk to you later.
Careful driving, huh? You're my... And I will talk to you later.
I'm going to try a lot with this. If it doesn't, then you'll have to do it. But don't get it right.
I have it here. I can do it.
I know,
here.
but I want to make sure it's working. So you do it.
You call me if it's not. Careful, I'll talk to you later.